Underneath the canopy where live oaks stand so tall, gentle breeze moves through the trees, answering the call. Walk the quiet boardwalks, let the city fade away. In the heart of Davie, where the wild flora stay. Hold on, keep where the ancient oak hammocks rise, reflecting South Florida beneath the open skies. From the marshy waters to the rustle in the leaves, find a moment's peace in the shadow of the trees. Herons tread softly along the water's edge, dragonflies dancing over the sawgrass hedge. Echoes of the past, stories written in the land, nature's steady rhythm right at your command. Hold on, keep where the ancient oak hammocks rise, reflecting South Florida beneath the open skies. From the marshy waters to the rustle in the leaves, find a moment's peace in the shadow of the trees. So step into the sanctuary, slow your steady pace, and leave your worries behind in this quiet, sunny place. Underneath the canopy where live oaks stand so tall, a gentle breeze moves through the trees, answering the call. Walk the quiet boardwalks, let the city fade away. In the heart of Davie, where the wild flora stay. Reflecting South Florida beneath the open sky. From the marshy waters to the rustle in the leaves, find a moment's peace in the shadow of the trees. Herons tread softly along the water's edge, dragonflies dancing over the sawgrass hedge. Echoes of the past, stories written in the land, nature's steady rhythm right at your command. Hold on, keep where the ancient oak hammocks rise, reflecting South Florida beneath the open skies. From the marshy waters to the rustle in the leaves, find a moment's peace in the shadow of the trees.